এই সময় ইতিহাসের এইসব থেকে আমার মাথা এখন ঝিমঝিম করছে।
Good afternoon, everybody. I am Pullar Mondol. We have already discussed. Now, I am talking in the rest of the part. The second one, there are two power. The number one, active power. There are so many countries, include Germany, Italy. Active power. Germany and Italy declared war immediately after Pearl Harbor. Germany, Italy, and Japan made a deal to help other English on world order. Number two, Allied power. The Allies were the USA, Great Britain, and the Soviet Union. These are called the Big Three. In addition, were the foreigners and equals of these countries. This includes China, Canada, Australia, France, Poland, and others. This contribution was production, not blood. We have to picture in workforce. People responded for wearing. Just show the picture of woman in this courses. Settlement of Japanese and American. USA was afraid if Japan were to attack the Pacific coast. Japanese American would help this. The government ordered them to move to camp. Settlement camp. Just for the picture, Japanese American start in the army. Japan wanted China and the Japan wanted oil. Japan wanted more oil to invest China. Japan joined active power. Germany was sick of the years helping Britain with its brain in this program. Pearl Harbor and distract the US from the Europe world. Because for Britain Island, if Japanese could have boomed Hawaii, moved from here, with a turning point. So a picture US got to gradually reach Japan. Later for Iwo Jima, island hopping became left of the world to Japan. Like 687 and years 20,000. Here the picture drop and atom bomb on Hiroshima. That's the picture atom bomb. Hiroshima and Nagasaki destroyed in 1945. Just show the picture. Just show the picture in Hiroshima. Why drop the atomic bomb? The Japanese have to, they would fight to the last woman and child. The atomic bomb saved as many as 1 million US lives and possibly many Japanese. High Trump said he dropped the bomb to in the world. The second World War ended. A lot of death in this country. 22 million Israel, China, has been 11 million, and Germany 5 million, Poland 7 million, US 0.5 million, Great Britain 0.3 million, Japan 1.5 million. Thank you.